Hey little star, don't you dim your light. A new day's here, feel that sunshine bright. You have a choice to make. Who will you be today? Brave, strong, kind, and true. Your story's waiting, written by you. Kindness is contagious when you lead with love. Being the kind of kid you'll be proud of. You could be the kindest kid.